Hey guys, me are going at the best party place in South Florida right now. See it here? Taste right. Yes, my liquor place are 441 and what that's Northwest 2nd Avenue and 193rd. Yes, Northwest 2nd Avenue and 193rd. If you want good party, at in here say you have to come. The best party place, see them? See up there, so? Yeah, see it up there, so see prices there. Can't see the something there. See party them, let me show you party. See them there. So if you never know, now you know. You understand? If you want party and them Jamaican something there. 100%, yes. Party them tastes so good. And in here always full. So just I invite you to buy a party right in here. So you buy it nowhere else. Yes. Tastes right. 193rd and first place. And you can turn in 193rd off 441. See it? And them sell soup too. So make sure you buy a party in here. Okay. I'm going to buy 2 party now. I'm hungry. 520. Yeah? You have any little silver? This part of buying in Walmart is when you buy over the vegetable section. Trust me. The vegetable section are the best. You understand? So when you come on Walmart, you this vegetable section. That's not bad. That's a good price. And yeah, buy cucumber. So most people come to Walmart, them take up a whole heap of junky stuff. But you can get fresh salad, see? Nice. See? Walmart. Oh, I need champion vinegar. Hey, you like banana?
Yes.
Alright, the bakery section over here. So. Yeah, who does that? Who vlog in a Walmart? Yes, I do. Me do. Who vlog in Walmart? Me. Cake section. I hear them call Joanna. Bread section. You have to avoid this if you want to lose weight. Them all about bread here. Not good for you. Not good for you. Where is the foil paper? Them have vinegar here? Condiments, pickles.
For what?
The same I get champagne vinegar. Cause I like the champagne.
Oh yeah, we need apple cider vinegar.
We need it in our life.
And it's so much cheaper here. For the big bottle.
Champagne vinegar now.
We don't buy it at the other place, the expensive place. We'll get like the small one for this price. So, word to the wise. Wise up when you're shopping. You see me? What the champagne
This
vinegar?
cheaper, you know.
No, we don't want that. Bragg.
Bragg ziz.
Bragg.
To the world, to the world.
Bragg.
To the flipping world. I don't see champagne vinegar. Can't believe it.
No champagne. There's rice vinegar, malt vinegar, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar.
No champagne vinegar.
No champagne vinegar. Is there such a thing?
Yeah. This at what, date night?
Date
Day in Walmart. Shopping.
We
I buy
just
some
listen to
stuff.
our friend on the internet encouraging married people to
To
go
do
out
things together.
So this is our going together.
When you're in our vicinities, You have to do things together. So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing things together. You see what I'm looking blog ingredients to no man tell them say me look ingredients so do a vlog. So see so I really want ya. See this one I want guys. Look. No another one yeah. Oh the GoPro camera. See them there?
Is this your outdoorsy person?
Yeah, but when you're outdoors, you still use it. I mean, you can use it in any sense. Cause remember, so we got vlog. Like when you go up on the road, sometimes you're not comfortable for walk with this. You're not comfortable for walk with the big camera. Yeah? So you have the little one here in a restaurant, on a trip. You go to the beach, you know. So this is what I want, guys. The GoPro. So check the description box and donate. And see, some of them relatively inexpensive. The accessories them come separate, you know, and ting. But you don't know, you see. Yeah, man. So I make we go get to stuff, car. Ladies and gentlemen, we're kicking it up another notch. Yes, we're kicking it up another notchest. Notcheracious. Yeah, I like them something here. Them something here look good in them something here. Watch out. Watch, you see what I go on Walmart? So I go on Walmart, this big woman. I ride pan people them Walmart cat. It's up here, sir. Yeah. Oh, them neck ya straight. Them neck ya straight. More on the one with the neck come and turn. Like so. See?
Those are straight also.
Oh.
You want the one like what we have at home?
Yeah. It's actually nice, you know. $7.90 something like that. This is nice. But I can edit out that part about the back. Look here. This is nice. Them are black. Different things, man. You do bedded if you want to make a bedded.
This fabric.
Yeah, but them fabric cannot use with dirty be.
What about this?
Yeah, this is nice.
Glorious.
I was asking her if she have the clear.
Around here.
Yeah, but I don't see it. She can't feed yet.
You don't need no wrapping. Here.
This is a we now make a life though, see. Everything to make a life do. Everything to make life. It just looks too much. It's just too busy.
I mean, I look for dining room chairs, train.
So we're just finished with Walmart. Get some stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna pack them in my Arctic Zone Packerer. That's my Arctic Zone car trunk Packerer. Yes, it is a very nice thing. And so yeah, see? Walmart. Give me a smile. Ta-ta. Ta-da-da. What's here so cool? Make one about go home.
Right.
Yeah,
What do you call this? Tailgate.
yeah, we're tailgate na Walmart. So you know, I'm gonna me out. West Palm Beach. Me don't know where me there. Me don't know where me there. I have no clue where I am. Me don't know where me there.